Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa, and today we are doing a review and try on and all that good jazz of the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. So it actually says more than concealer on it, so I do want to try it all over the face. But I initially wanted to do like a wear test, and I get into all that in the video. But I have worn this for several days now, and I have it on now, so I know my full thoughts on it. And if you guys want to see how I like this concealer, then let's get into it. Alright, let's get into this. I'm so excited about this. This is, well, I cannot find where the shade is. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's right on the top. I got the shade 365 Cashew. So, this is a pretty big concealer. Like here, okay, it's literally the exact same size as Shape Tape. Yeah, they're the same size, 0.33, and this is 0.338. So, they're the same size. That is a big concealer. Like, this is only 0.12. So, these are big guys. So, I'm not going to put on too much here. And then I'm going to take my Real Techniques sponge and start blending this out. And then if we need more coverage, we will just build it up, because I do not want to put too much on. And of course, I have the Fresh Wear foundation on. It has like quickly become my favorite. Overlook this hair. I finally have a hair appointment today, so we're leaving it up, and then when we come back for the check-in, then my hair will actually be down and all these grays will be covered. So I'm happy about that. I'm taking this onto my eyelid, and even with a sponge, it's actually really good coverage. I put more on my left eye, so I'm gonna add a little bit more over here and blend this guy out. It blends out really nicely. It doesn't dry down super fast like the Urban Decay All-Nighter, which I still love that one. I just do it one eye at a time. And here's what we're looking like. Everything is covered down there. It looks really good. I'm going to throw some on my nose and my Cupid's bow. The nose is a big test. But I will say, if you're looking at, if you're looking at a shade online, I'd probably go a little bit lighter than you think, because this is dark. Like, I thought this would be brightening for me, and it is not really brightening for me. So I would definitely say go a little bit lighter than you think. But holy cow, this looks beautiful on my nose. I'm loving this, you guys. Like, wow. Okay, so I am going to go ahead, finish up my face, and then I will come back and we'll see what it all looks like. Okay guys, so this is what the concealer is looking like with the whole face on. I really like the way that it's looking. It looks really smooth. It didn't accentuate any pores. But of course, we are going to do a wear test, so I am going to go do the things that I need to do, and I'll see you guys later on tonight. Okay, so we had a bit of an issue to where I could not come back and do a check-in. I had an issue. It was a personal issue. I don't want to get into it, but I will insert a picture here of how everything wore. And it wore beautifully. You can see I have it on today, and I've worn it 4 times now with different foundations, just to make sure everything to make sure everything just blends over each different foundation nicely. And you guys, I have to say, I love this concealer. I love it. It's full coverage. It covers everything. It doesn't accentuate pores. Like, you see, it is just beautiful. I really, really love this. And they have a huge shade range, so I can't wait to pick up more and use it all over the face because I love this. You don't have to set it if you don't want to, but wow, it is just beautiful, you guys. So again, I'm so sorry I couldn't do the check-in, but you know, things come up and it gave me longer to test it. So I definitely recommend the Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Lost my train of thought there. But yeah, definitely recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.